and you can sit in your comfort. On the mat, legs are up, shift. Coming to Parivritta Trikonasana, right foot is forward, left leg is back. From here, your stick outer mat, right leg is forward, the stick outer mat out of the right foot slightly ahead. From here, extend the left hand up, 1, extend the left hand up, find the left side of the body stretched, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now take the right hand up, 1, and start moving the left hand down. Take left hand downward and right hand upward. A strong right side of the leg and finding the twist. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Bend the front knee and maintain the twist. Bending the front knee, maintaining the twist. Let the left hand come out of the right knee. Left hand coming out of the right knee. Inhale and come back. Exhale and change. So turning the right foot. Align your left. Turn the left foot out. Take the stick left side, not on the floor, only on the mat. Get your hip square hip. Extend the right hand of the body above the stick. Stretch the right side of the lateral body. No opening towards the mat, towards the stick. Stretch the left side of the hand, and then from here the right hand has to go down and the stick has to go towards the left. So slant the stick and find the twist. Ekam. Keep opening the chest. Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha. Put the knees and place your stick above your calf muscles. Good for constipations, liver, stomach. Placing your stick above the calf muscles and sit. 1, hardly 1 kg of a stick, control. 2, closing your right nostril with the right thumb, right index finger and middle finger on Sambhavi, left nostril exhale. Left inhale. Right exhale. Right inhale. And left exhale. Left inhale. Right exhale. Right inhale. Left exhale. From here, release the hand. Take your both the hands behind and open the chest. Drop the head. Lift the chest. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Inhaling, coming back, exhaling to Ustrasana. Standing on the knees. Placing the stick back. Taking both the hands above the head. Shift your navel forward and hands stretched back. Shift. Come back. Sit down for the twist. One. Right leg forward 2. Place your stick inside the right foot. One, breathing in. Don't sit on the left heel unless you are having limitations. 2, you can sit in your comfort. 4, 5, 6, 7. Inhaling, shift to the left, bring the right knee forward. From here, standing on the knees, taking your stick behind. Second variation of Ustrasana, the left palm, left heel. Shift the navel forward, extend the right hand away. Ekam, Dve, Trini, Chatvari, Pancha. Shift, shift, yes. Take the stick, sit down, finding the twist other side, the right side. 1, 2, Vajrasana twist, right. Shifting the body to the right, move the left leg forward and take the left side of the stick forward, breathing in and breathe out. Left stick hook with the left foot. Ekam, inhale. Ekam, exhale. Dve, inhale. Dve, exhale. Trini, inhale. Trini, exhale. Chatvari, inhale. Chatvari, exhale. The last one, Pancha, inhale. Pancha, exhale. Take. Going back to Ustrasana. Placing the stick Extend the left hand over the head. Right hand to right heel. Shift the weight forward. 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5. Inhaling, come back. Exhale. Placing your stick in front of you, move the knees back. Stretch the right hand up, move the left hand down. Shift the navel down. 1. Take the right hand slightly down. 2. Get your right elbow engaged. Place the left. 1. Elbows are bending. Shift. Stomach on the mat. Legs are up. Stick moving away. Stick moving away. 2, 3, 4, 5.